Well, my name is Tippa, Irie, and I come from London City. I'm in a place called London City. You know the streets, they're not very pretty. Man, we can you and take away your money. As in the ghetto life, it's no easy. Well, if they rob you, well, that's a pity. But I saw life going at the city. You have it, dip on your gun, you have it, dip on your got car. Man, them no wrap up when them a talk. You have it, dip on your gun, you have it, dip on your got car. Man, them no wrap up when them a talk. Know me, come to tell you a story. And this is not no chakanori. This is a story about crocus bag of money. No crocus bag of money is a girl called Honey. Then call her that because a bank book healthy. You want to see how the young girl wealthy. She have 10 cargo we reach her belly. And she have 2 house over Chelsea. She get a private aeroplane from her daddy. A girl like that, any man we want marry. So you have it, dip on your god, you have it, dip on your god, because man them no wrap up when them a chat. You have it, dip on your god, you have it, dip on your god, because man them no wrap up when them a chat. Now this rich little girl called Honey, she buck up and I get her youth named Tony. Well, Tony him skinny and bony, but are the best Conman in the country. Him we knock spots half a daily. Enough time he reach a whole Bailey, and anytime he reach a whole Bailey, he make the crown cold look like Shaggery. So if he can a little girl like Honey, sure, it matters what she just give my money. A tone in a ramp when him catch gal bikini. Him and Casanova look like a fairy. So if you want hear how him catch Honey, sure, just stick around and get value for money. Because you have it, dip on your god, you have it, dip on your god, because man them no wrap up when them a talk. You have it, dip on your god, you have it, dip on your god, because man them no wrap up when them a talk. And them say, sweetie pie, dear Honey, don't you know you drive me crazy? All my life I've been waiting for you. Nice to meet you, how do you do? Are you alone? I'm alone too. Are you happy? Are you feeling blue? Well, I'm blue, yes it's true. Me just lose my mother and my grandmother too. Me just getting beat up by 2 body boo. Me daddy him mad and gone a Bellevue. Him always drunk when he drink car brew. Him always power up when he drink Malibu. Then him go a toilet, vomit in a hit, and after him leg go some water do. Shut up, dip on your god, you have it, dip on your god, because man them no wrap up when them a talk. You have it, dip on your god, you have it, dip on your god, because man them no wrap up when them a talk. When Tony don't tell her about him problem, she said don't worry, I will solve them. And she said listen to me darling, leave it to me. Me will take care of your drunken daddy. And don't bother worry about the bad boy passy. And me use bad boy to wash me panty. And money I know nothing can me have plenty. Me will give you anything because me know you need it. When Tony hear that know him start to grin, cause him know say him a go make 2 shilling. To cut a long story short, now hear what happen. Tony can only fee around 60 grand. I know him a living at the Caribbean. We got to wash him foot and gal fi wash him man. We got to wash him plate when him just done yam. So listen to Irie and understand you have it. Dip on your god, you have it, dip on your god, because man them no wrap up when them a talk. You have it, dip on your god, you have it, dip on your god, because man them no wrap up when them a talk. No, my name is Tippa Irie, and I come from London City. And in the place called London City, you know the streets they're not very pretty. Man, we can you and take away your money. As in the ghetto life it's no easy.